Hello guys, hello everyone, and welcome back to Teshingani TV. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support you're showing me. I really appreciate it. So guys, continue being there for me. For those one who are here for the first time, kindly consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let Teshingani go viral. And for those one whom started this journey with, thank you so much for being there for me. I really appreciate. I'm proud of you guys. Huh? So, guys, today, and without forgetting, guys, remember to watch my clip when the ads are running. Guys, don't skip those advertisements. Don't skip those games, whatever it is. Don't, guys. Please don't. Huh? Just support me by watching my video fully with the ads running. So, guys, as you can see today is the day. We just wanted to cook chips. I am here with some sweet potatoes, not sweet Irish potatoes. I'm here with Irish potatoes. So let's chop them. Then cut them. Have here oil, as you can see. So let's go without wasting time. So we'll chop as we put here. So let's start it. And this time round, it's white. It's white color. Oh my god, it's white. Guys, I have a question for you. I will leave a question. Which is the best potato for chips? White or yellow inside? It's not yellow, it is white. So, which is the best? Huh? Which is the best? This one the best or the other type the best? Hmm? I always cook the other type, so today let's try this one and see how they are, which I don't know, but let's try. Let's do it practically. Practically. So let's chop them. Please open fire. Let's wait. This is enough. Let's wait for oil to be hot. So let's clean. Here they are. You can see. So let's cut. Hmm? Why is it that hard? So we'll cut this size, guys. So guys, let's dip this one. This first round, let's check if the oil is hot. So let me take a spoon so that I can dip more of. And next one, I'll get back to cutting these ones, the remaining one. We still have some remaining. Let's back here cutting it. Here, right? Okay, you can see it. Yes, what is this color? Even I don't continue. Look, guys, I will end it because look how they look like. Oh my god, this. So we have two types of potatoes. This one say no for cooking tips. Very useless. Have a look the color. Hmm? It tastes spongy, no taste. They're totally. Oh my god. Way. So guys, I will end there. I won't continue because it's not the best type. The best type, not this one. Whee! Look how they look like. So, whee! Alright guys, I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Continue being there for me. Well, let me prepare what? A sandwich? But no need. No need. I'm just okay. Hmm. Canione. Let me see what I can prepare for the kid. Because this one is a no-go zone. The white potato inside. We, no, I don't know why. So, love you guys so much. Continue being there for me. Bye bye.